News coming in, where civil defense mock drills were conducted in Doda, Udhampur and Ramban district. In Jammu and Kashmir, state authorities, volunteers and NDRF conducted the joint operation under Operation Shield. Developments there coming in at this point of time as far as Operation Shield is concerned. My colleague Ajay Jandial is with us on the broadcast to give us more on this. Ajay, if you could take our viewers through the details of these mock drills that are now being conducted.
Yes, Jammu and Kashmir have also gone through the mock drills, which basically was scheduled for yesterday evening, and on several locations with different timing that was conducted, where civil defense, Jammu and Kashmir police, fire services, and SDRF chamber, were seeing that they are exercising the mock drill, which basically to ensure that the people, those who reside over there, they has to be properly trained that how to tackle any emergency kind of situation. Like in Ramban, district administration have ensured that people, those who live in this surrounding, they need to be taught about the mock drill, that how they have to save their lives, and also to move to the safer location if any shelling or a bombing takes place. And especially the natural calamity is a major challenge in Ramban, because that Ramban is residing, situated on a hilly terrain. So number of times the landslide and other disasters were seen, and that's why they have specially trained for that such kind of disasters as well. In Kishtwar, in Doda, in Jammu, and on most of the districts of the Jammu and Kashmir police, Jammu and Kashmir, they have seen this mock drill, and this was to aim that people need to be trained, people need to be aware about the precaution they have to take during the shelling and raids.
Right, absolutely. Ajay, thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast. Meanwhile,